Okay, so this is a 15 feet sprinkler head. The old one was broken. I guess I was mowing the lawn and it broke one of the heads. So all I had to do was to go to Home Depot and buy a new head. I actually bought the brass nozzle so it doesn't break. So all you have to do is to dig around your sprinkler. Just dig around the head, and this is very easy to take off. Just twist and take the old one off. You're gonna have water coming from the pipe when you take it off completely. Okay, so I took the old one. You can see the water. You can see the water coming out, and this is the new one. You just put it back on. It's very easy. This is an easy fix. It's an easy fix. Okay. I guess it's firm enough. Okay, so just replace your mud bag. Don't go pay a handyman to fix this for you. This is an easy fix. A friend of mine came and he's been helping me out a lot. So I get to learn a lot. This is an easy fix. Okay, you can fix this yourself. I guess that's it. And I'm gonna go around and turn the sprinkler system on. Wash my hands first. I'm gonna go test it. I'm gonna test it. That's the new sprinkler head. It's working perfectly. All right.